Hello and welcome back to It's What I Do. On the last video I mentioned I wanted to fit a solar charger to the car, so that's what I'm going to do today. So what have we got? That's the solar charger. It's an Oxford Solariser. So that's pretty good. And what we're going to do is we're going to, let me just show you. I'm going to try and fit it into this back window here, and then I'll run the cable down through the footwell, and there's a connection point that's live all the time over there. So that's what I'm going to try and do, is connect into there. So let's get it out of the box and have a look, see what we've got. Bear with me. Right, what we got in the box, we've got a little instruction booklet, we've got a cable that fits into a cigarette lighter, which is no good on this car because it cuts the power to the cigarette lighter as soon as you turn the ignition on. We've got the main unit itself, which is it's quite small, but it's very sensitive to light. You can see it's started to flash now, so it's picking up enough light to produce a charge. And then we've got a battery clamp set. We've got a solid connection with a fuse on it, and I think that's it. So in the bag there with the cigarette lighter one is some suction cups that fit into these slots here. So we'll get those sorted out and we'll start putting it on. Now, if you can see, that suction cap just fits into there, so it goes into that groove there, and then slide it up or down, whichever way you want to do it, and that will fit in like so. So we'll now see if we can get this to fit into the rear window where I want it to go, and see how we go from there. Okay, so we've got it in the window there. Now we've got to run the wire down around here. Now I might have to extend this wire because it's not that long. I think it's 2 meters, so I might have to extend it a little bit, but we'll see. Okay, I've got the wire under here, and it's poked in along underneath there. I haven't done anything too fancy with the connection. I've just used a terminal block, small terminal block, and I've connected it up under here. And if you can see there, I've got a permanent live there. I actually wired this one because I have got another solar panel, but it hasn't got any electronics in it, so it just kept charging and charging and charging, and it would eventually dry your battery out. So yeah, that didn't work out too well, but this one has got some electronics built into it. You can see there, you can see a flashing light that shows it's charging, and once it's fully charged it will stop charging, so that should work pretty good. So it's all tucked in under there, quite tidy. As I say, I haven't done anything too fancy with the wire. You can see it just runs down there behind the seat, down there, and then just underneath the plastic trim around the edge. So there's nothing too fancy. If I need to take it out, it will be dead simple to take out. So at the moment it's got a 1 point something watt trickle charge on it, but that will be permanently charging all the time there's daylight, so it should keep the battery just enough to keep it going okay. Still going to need to get a new battery because this one's just no good at all. So yeah, what I had to do, I had to cut the the wire when I can find the right one. There you go. I cut the end off the wire and just use the terminal block to connect it to the other one, but I'll keep that in case I need to use it, and then I can just connect that straight back in and it all will be good. Right, I know that's fairly short and sweet. There isn't really anything that complicated about it. I'll let you know how it gets on. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.